Hello, and welcome to day 4 of the 21-day Inner Child Work Challenge. Okay, so for our challenge today, we're looking at positive influences. So, as usual, remember that you have choice in the work that we're about to do. You can choose to not engage or engage whatever you feel is best. Okay, so what I invite you to do is I invite you to think back to your childhood and identify someone who was a positive influence. If you can, identify someone living who was a positive influence. If not, it can be someone who's no longer with us, but it has to be someone whose grief journey you've already explored and journeyed. Maybe not to conclusion, but at least you've done some work in regards to the grief and the loss there. And if you completely have no one, you can choose an animal, you can choose a pet. So now, I'm going to invite you to just check how you're feeling right now. Just notice what's happening for you in the body. Notice if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling out of it, if you're feeling present. And as that's happening, I'm going to invite you to identify the person first, identify who they are, and identify or just note what positive influence they had in your life. What did they positively influence? Notice how it impacted you. Okay, so just notice how they positively impacted you. Now, I'm going to invite you to bring up a specific moment that stays with you to this day about that person. Specific moment from your childhood that's still positive, that still stays with you to this day. I'm going to invite you, with either your eyes open or closed, to imagine that you're approaching a door. A door to that specific memory that you've brought up. Now, as you're walking towards the door, you're getting closer and closer to that memory. You get to the door, just check your breath, in through the nose, out through the nose. Notice if you're feeling calm, if you're feeling a bit anxious. And if you are feeling anxious, notice what you need to do for you to feel calm. Maybe you need to step back from the exercise or choose a different memory, choose a different person. So breathe and open the door. As the door opens, it opens to that specific memory with that specific person. And as that's happening, and as the door opens, you notice where you are. You notice where this person is and who this person is. So I'm going to invite you again to notice what is happening in the moment. Notice where you are. Notice the significance of where you are. Notice what this person is doing that has had such a positive impact on you. And again, as you're doing that, just breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. And notice what you're doing. Notice what your face is doing. Notice any facial expressions. Now, I'm going to invite you to just begin to walk around in that memory and just notice. We're not touching anything. We're just witnesses. We're just noticing. So I invite you to begin to walk around and notice. Maybe notice things you hadn't noticed before, or people you hadn't noticed before. But again, you're just noticing. And as that's happening, I'm going to invite you to note what you liked about this person, or what you like about this person if they're still present. Notice the emotion that's present in that moment. Notice the pleasant emotion that's present. And notice if you can feel some of that positive or pleasant emotion right now. And as you do that, in through the nose, out through the nose. Just notice where in the body you feel that pleasant emotion right now. Just noticing. And notice what sensations are in the body. Notice if they feel good, feel uncomfortable, unfamiliar, new, but good. Just notice. If this is the first time you're connecting to sensations that are linked to a positive event or positive emotions, this might feel a little uncomfortable or weird. And notice if you're just uncomfortable or unsafe. Uncomfortable can help to bring growth. If you're unsafe, that can re-traumatize. So notice what you're experiencing. Notice the emotions that are present. And I'm just going to invite you to just notice. Okay? And if you can, see if you can have a conversation and just ask the question whether that young person is still here with you to this day. That part of you that felt safe, the part of you that had that positive interaction is still here with you today. And so what I invite you to do is, once that's happened, I'm going to invite you to offer gratitude to that part of yourself. Offer gratitude to the person you've identified and head back towards the door. Unless there's something else you'd like to say. And again, all the while breathing in through the nose, out through the nose, and head back towards the door. And I'm going to invite you to open the door, leave that memory, and close the door behind you. As you do that, you're now back in the present as you shut the door. Now I'm going to invite you to just, if your eyes were closed, to open your eyes, to orient yourself around the room, have a look. Just notice what you can see, what you can smell, what you can taste, what you can touch, and what you can hear. And just notice what you feel, neck down, whether you feel activated, whether you feel good, whether you feel safe. Just notice. Notice if there are any takeaways from that experience. Notice what you've learned from your inner child in regards to that positive experience. Notice what positives you've taken away. Notice how, noisy plane. Notice how that inner child with that positive experience shows up to this day. Notice when it shows up. And more importantly, notice how you show up as a result of that relationship. How do you show up in relation to others? What does that look like? How has that influenced and impacted how you do relationships and how you see others? So thank you for participating in day 4 of the 21-day Inner Child Work Challenge. Hopefully today's session was helpful. Again, share in the comment what was helpful. Ask questions in the comment section. Connect with others who are on a similar journey of discovering the inner child. There is healing in community and in journeying together. So thank you for watching. Please share, comment, like, subscribe. Share the challenge with others who might find this content helpful. Bye for now. See you for day 5.